Guys, we're doing blackened Cajun shrimp on my Ninja Foodi Grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm gonna show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. If you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button, that bell next to it, so you can get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, so guys, I'm excited what we're doing here today. Little blackened Cajun shrimp. We are doing it on our Ninja Foodi Grill. We are using the griddle pan that goes on top of the grill plate in the Foodi Grill. All right, so I have just some chopped up bell peppers. I have some 1620 shrimp, so they're about jumbo size, maybe skosh less than, not quite jumbo, but good enough. Just about a half a pound of those, just enough to kind of get in that pan. We're going to use a little of this Cajun Black from Sweet Smokie Joe. Guys, I'll put a link down below. Stan is a stand-up dude. I love his products. I don't get sponsored, I don't get paid. I just dig his stuff. Pretty much all the rubs and spices and stuff I use on my channel, I stand behind because I dig what they have. It's nothing sponsored or anything like that. I'm not a brand ambassador or anything like that. I just dig what they have, the certain flavors. Certain things go with certain things and other things go with other things, and you know what I'm saying. All right, so we're gonna use this Cajun Black for a little blackened seasoning. And then we also have this fish and seafood rub that he sent out that Sweet Smokie Joe has. And we're gonna mix it just a little bit in there with the Cajun Black, just to add just tons and tons of flavor. All right. And the way we get this blackenedness going on is we're gonna take a little bit of butter that I've already melted down, coat the shrimp with the butter, and then add these rubs to it. Probably about a teaspoon to almost a tablespoon of each. So give a little bit in there. All right. Not exact measurements. You season the taste. Okay. I dig this Foodi Grill, guys. I know I have tons of videos on, but I wouldn't be making these videos if I didn't believe in it, man. This thing is awesome. Guys, get you one. Like you're gonna dig this, okay? All right, enough praising the Foodi Grill, guys. We're gonna get you over on the counter over here. Get that Foodi Grill preheated. Get the shrimps on, and we'll do the dang thing. All right, come on back. Okay, guys, we're over on our Ninja Foodi Grill station over here. So we have our shrimp ready to go. Got some peppers. Now we're gonna preheat this bad boy. So let's turn it on. We're gonna go grill temp high. Get you 500 degrees. But before I hit start, we're gonna put our griddle pan in there. Sorry, that was a little loud. It sits just right on top of the grill grate. Okay. Shut it down. Let's get to start preheating. All right, while we're preheating. Okay, so we're gonna get this going. I'm gonna put a little butter on top here. We got about 4 or 5 tablespoons. Just a little bit in there. Just the side. Just enough to coat it up. Mix all these up in there. I'm gonna use our fish and seafood seasoning from Smokie Joe, Sweet Smokie Joe's. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. All right. Now we're gonna add a fair amount of this Cajun Black. I really want to get blackening in here. Blackened shrimp. Okay, let's get these turned out. All right. So these look nice and coated. All right. Looks good to me. What do you guys think? Looks like shrimp drowned in butter and seasoning, huh? All right. Once this gets done preheating, we'll get these on, get a little bell peppers on, and we'll make magic happen. Okay, we're preheated. All right, let's get this blackening happening. All right, so let's put these shrimps on. That sizzle, sizzle. Guys, once we get these going, it's not going to take very much time to get these cooked through. Obviously the shrimps go pretty quickly. That butter's gonna cook through real nice. I want to add some of these You know, I cheated. I got them already chopped up. I'm gonna get some of these bell peppers in there. It's just gonna add that nice flavor to it. You know, let's get them in there. They'll get grilled up real nice too. Griddled up real nice. Just to be safe, I'm gonna add one more couple little dashes of our blackening seasoning. We're gonna go 3 minutes and then we'll flip and we'll see where we're at. Okay. Oh my goodness. You guys wish you had smell-o-vision in here. Oh, it smells so good. That butter, that seasoning, the peppers. Stop it. Oh, these are gonna be done in about another minute. Get them nice and all flipped around. Truthfully, you don't need to flip them around. I just wanna see what we got going on there. These are about, you know, 1 more minute, they'll be good to go. They'll be done. Okay, 1 more minute. Okay, another minute's up. These shrimp look delicious. Oh, look at that. Oh, the seasonings on there. Oh, the smells, guys. Hear me now, believe me later. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Those peppers in there. Stop it. I gotta try one. All right, let's get it on the cutting board. Let it cool down. We'll take it. As you can see, you already had a bite. Guys, this is good. Got a nice little spice in there. Making my nose run a little bit. That's okay. Look at that bite. Little steam. You know it's hot. Oh man, look at that other bite. Buttery, spicy, delicious. Hot. Real freaking hot. All right, guys. I'm gonna plate this bad boy up. Oh man, that's good. I'm gonna plate this bad boy up, take a picture, and wow, we'll talk about it. Come on back. All right, guys, that was wonderful. The shrimp, oh, spicy, tasty. Oh, so good. And I love the bell pepper mix on there. A little bit of white rice. Can't go wrong, right? Oh, give this one a shot, boys and girls. You're gonna dig it. You're gonna love it. And if you don't have that griddle plate, you didn't get the pro version, which I didn't get the pro version of the Ninja Foodi Grill. I just asked Ninja to send me the little extras that come with the pro version. If you don't have that griddle plate, you can do this on the grill itself and you get those little nice char marks on there. So it's up to you how you want to do it. I just wanted to try the griddle plate, so that's what we're doing. All right. Again, Sweet Smokie Joe stuff is down below. Hit the link. It's just his website, okay? If you want to buy a Ninja Foodi Grill, again, link below and I'll pin it in the comments. If you like this Cooking with CJ merch right here, and it says crew on the back, crew. All right. You want one of these? Teespring store below. Everything's below, boys and girls. You're going to dig it. All right. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for cooking with CJ. Take care.